Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 3.2, dealing with tape diagrams. Accelerated math, practice 5.1. In science, there is no homework. However, the accelerated classes have lesson review, page 453, including problems 1 through 6 and 8 through 10. In social studies, we need to complete our government Venn diagram on our Google slide. Please make sure that we are going through it and using our notes for that. In language arts, there is no homework. Unless you did not finish your quick write number 3 in class, you need to get that done and submit it. The accelerated class, you need to plan your 3 body paragraphs. In literature, seed folk test tomorrow, vocab, and our book test. Also, your character summaries are due at the end of today. Hopefully we got that done. And we'll be collecting homework passes tomorrow. In CNL and FCS, hopefully we got everything done. In FCS, if your floor plan is not complete, please do that. That's going to be it for today. Everybody have a fantastic Wednesday.